Alright, last of this look, and I did a bunch of other things in previous videos. So we did light concealer, Candlelight ShadowSense as a comparison with the concealer on the lids as well. And then we did the Americano in the crease. We did the Lapis as a liner on the lashes, and the Sandstone Shimmer Pearl highlighting under the brow, in the corners of the eye, and on the ball of the eye, and mascara. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. So the last step is Cocoa in the LipSense. Now I have a glass on right now, so what you first want to do is always clean and dry your lips. So remove all the gloss, okay? Now, you're going to take water. You can do witch hazel if you want with no alcohol in it. And get your lips wet and clean. This is something that a lot of people miss as a step, and it really is crucial. Clean and dry your lips before you apply LipSense. If you licked your lips, they're not clean and dry. I keep saying this, and you just gotta know this. I also am hoping that I have my glossy gloss nearby, because I wasn't thinking about that. Alright, I think this will work. Okay, so clean and dry. Shake so that your ratios are correct as you are using your entire bottle of LipSense. Every time you put the wand back in, it is self-sanitizing. How fantastic is that in these times? Okay, you're going to do clean, dry lips one direction only after shaking your bottle. I like to do the Cupid's O and drag down. Cupid O and drag down. Notice the funny sound? Stretching lips. A funny sound is because you don't want to touch your lips together while you're doing it. No, back and forth. Stretching the lips to get all over in an even application. And don't touch lips together or else it could pull the color off of your lip, okay? Now, stretch lips. If you are a thin lip, you may be able to do that one stripe. If you're a thicker lip, you're going to want to do it again. Get that waterline. So notice there's no back and forth, and you can go in and fine tune your line, because I'm a big lip line person. And then you can go back and you can define your line. There is a doe foot to the LipSense. So the doe foot allows you to get defined line. Now another thing that's kind of fun with LipSense, because of the formulation, if you have a thinner lip, you can actually draw outside of the line and create a thicker lip line. How fabulous is this color? I love Cocoa. Okay, and I don't even have blush on yet. I need to put blush on, so maybe I'll do another video on that. Alright, so that's kind of a 1-2 layering. You want to let it dry in between each layering, and then do another application. So I'm going to do kind of the waterline more. First layer typically is worn down by the body throughout the day. The chemistry of the body. The top layer is typically worn down while you're talking, eating, drinking, licking your lips, biting your lips, that I hope you don't do. Now, we all know my eyesight is not the best, so we're going to hope that's okay. So it doesn't take long. You can work on different areas, lip line, whatever, as you're letting it dry. And then once you have your third layer and you've let that dry, and you look kind of silly, but we do have these lovely fans, and you do a starter kit. Because a starter kit would be a color of your choice, the glossy gloss, which is the seal, and then the oops, which is your oops, I made a mistake and I need to erase it, or your remover at the nighttime to take everything off. So that's drying. I'm going to find one of my glossy glosses. Glossy gloss is the most moisturizing, so therefore it will help your color hold on the longest. It's like your top seal for your nail polish, and it is your moisturizer throughout the day. I typically do not take colors with me. I just bring my glossy gloss to reapply all day long. If you have been patient enough, which sometimes I am not, and make sure that your color has dried, then you will not get any transferring on to the wand when you do your wand. Not always that patient, so sometimes I have color. Now, another thing I have found that is the most valuable tip: the more you gloss, the more moisturizing your lips are, the less the color is going to wear off during the day, okay? So key to success: gloss, gloss, gloss. Moisturize throughout the day. Makes your lips healthier, plumper, fuller, youthful looking anyways, because you're hydrating them with the shea butter and the vitamin E, but you also are sealing in the color and protecting it from licking your lips, biting your lips, and you won't bite your lips if they're dry. So that is that look. The Oops looks like a gloss. And sometimes people make the mistake of putting the Oops on when they think they're putting the gloss on, but then it takes the color off. So be aware of that. Just in order to keep this a little bit shorter, I'm going to leave it at that. I'll come back and do a little contouring, a little blush, let you see that. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Hopefully it's helping.